Hey guys, it's Kim Angel Dream Crafts, and I am here with a bit more of a destash. This time I'm destashing fabric, and before I get into that, I just want to say a couple things right off the top. If you purchase these, please remember I am in Canada. We do not have flat rate shipping boxes here in Canada. Shipping goes by weight, so please keep that in mind if you're going to buy these. I just needed to say that. And you must pay within 24 hours because I had people waiting last time. So 24 hours after that, it goes to the next person in line. Okay, so that's those. And then I am destashing some fabric this weekend, and I'm starting off with the fabric scrap bags. I've got 3 here so far. Again, these are scraps, and I will briefly show you what's in each one. You do get some decent size yardage, but again, it's scraps, so it's not complete yardage. They are cut, so there's a fair good size piece of that, and then there's, you know, pieces that look like this that are cut. And this bag here, I would say, has more, I guess, blues and purples in it. You can see there's strips, and there's right down to like even little tiny pieces. But you know what? If you're a junk journaler or you like to do fabric collage, these would be the bags for you, because there's a lot of good stuff in here. There's pretty colorful stuff. I mean, you could do anything with it. There's a bit of white there. There's black. There's colorful stuff, and there might even be like a half-finished quilt square or something already sewn in here. This has already got a hem on it. So, you know, they're mixed bags of lots and lots and lots of different fabrics. This one has some fleece in it. It's got this pretty black fabric in here. You know, so there's lots of good stuff in here. So that's this one. And I would say, yes, this is more purple, blue, and green. So that's what we'll call that one, number 1. And I will write number 1 on here. So if you want this one, it's bag number 1. Bag number 2 has a lot of purple and black in it. There's quite a few pieces in here as well. And there's a bit of green. There's strips. Very bright green, but you know what? Good for a book base if you make fabric books, because you cover it up anyway. So that's good for that. You could make flowers out of some of this stuff. Like I said, junk journaling would be good. If you like boho fabrics, these are kind of more that's sort of an Asian print. It's very mod 70s print. This has lots of purple and black. There's some turquoise felt. There's some white. Well, I guess that's kind of a silky satin. I don't know what that is. Purple. Some paint splotchy stuff. So that's what that bag is. You can see it's very random, you know, but all good usable pieces for somebody. If you're a quilter too, a lot of this would work for that. But they're good fabric scrap bits. So that's bag number 2 if you want it. That is bag number 2. Bag number 3, I want to say, is mostly red, and this one has the most yardage in it because I have a great big piece of red fleece in here, and it has a slight pattern on it. I don't know if the camera's going to pick it up. You can kind of see the pattern on it. I want to say it looks like damask, but not quite. It's really kind of cool, but it is a fleece, and there's a fair bit in here. So that is in the bag. There's a lot of black and red in this one. Red, some tapestry, some flower fabric. There's actually a quilt square in here too, from my quilting days. Very, very bright. But you know what? You could make a little gypsy book out of that. You really could. You could make a book out of that. There's a little piece of tapestry. There's some bohemian type of fabric here. blue. That's some feather and some rickrack trim. There's some red fleece in here. Some black sparkly felt. Red fleece squares, big piece of string. Some linen, little kitty cats. You know, all of this. So this would be bag 3. There's even some trim that's got the fleece on the back too, because I made this for my sewing machine cover. So that was the offcut piece. So that's bag 3. So if you're interested in any of these, let me know. They are $10 each plus shipping. And remember, I am in Canada, like I said. So let me know if you're interested. Leave your PayPal below. And that's it for right now, but I'll be back with more later this weekend. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.